I found how to manage, I think it was a email solicitation telling me about a 1 week, 1 hour a day introduction, and went into that and followed that. Liked what I saw, joined the boot camp, and liked what I saw there. And as part of the boot camp, I went to Nashville for the LQM, and I knew long before I got to Nashville that I was going to join. But after joining, we turned a firm that was 1 attorney and 1 paralegal into, we've grown it now, we've got 1 extra paralegal and an intake manager who also works as a legal assistant. I'm sleeping a whole lot better, that's for sure. That I'm not worrying so much about what's going to happen next, what's going to get done. Worrying about the fact that I have to do everything in order to make anything happen. And that's one of the biggest things, is the fact that I now have some staff and some other people that are helping me with it. Just makes me sleep better at night, and it's taken a lot of stress away from me. That putting together the business plan was a real eye-opener. I actually just had my quarterly meeting with my manager yesterday and went through the business plan for the first time and modified it slightly. But having that business plan in place has given some guidelines and some just a roadmap to what's going to happen and where we're going and how to go there. I've been playing all in from the very beginning, and had the opportunity, actually had through the boot camp, I won the opportunity to have a one-on-one with Arjan. And that helped a whole lot, to be able to talk with him for an hour and just get the big picture overview and have him pinpoint a few things. But I knew before going to that LQM last summer that how to manage, knew what they were doing, could help me get where I wanted to be, and that I had to listen to everything that they told me to do and do it in order to get there. That just having that mindset that says you are a business owner, that you should treat this like a business owner, that you have to do what needs to be done in order to make this business successful, and that you have to be willing to delegate certain things to certain people and not try and do it all yourself has made a huge difference. So mindset's everything. I would say absolutely do it. That you'll see what's going on with it. You'll see what it's all about. If you don't love it, there's something wrong, because they really do go by step and piece by piece and lay out a way to do things and do it better, and find the flaws that are in your business currently, and help you to fix those flaws and help implement systems that work. Yes, it's been spectacular. I met a lot of people at that LQM. I've been on the forums, I've joined the Facebook page. I see that kind of interaction, and in fact I've actually had a couple of referrals already from some fellow HTM members where they've referred business to me. So it's been a big deal, and it's made it so much easier. And I've gotten so many great ideas from other people that it really does make a big difference. I don't know if it's such a surprise, but the fact that everybody is so willing to help everybody else. And I guess it's kind of the old saying of, a rising tide floats all boats. Nobody looks at it like, well, I don't want to share my secrets with you. Everybody's willing to share anything they have and give you information, and just such a giving community, and the fact that there's so many good ideas out there that are being shared. Sometimes it's almost overwhelming that you have to look at those ideas and go, well, which ones do I actually implement? Which ones do I use? But that's what was been most surprising to me, is that everybody's on board and everybody is willing to help.